welcome. Thank you for stopping by at sleepplay.com. My name is Lily and I'm one of the respiratory therapists here at Sleep Play. And today we're going to talk about a sanitizer. Okay, this is a sanitizer that you can use for your CPAP machine or any other thing that you want to sanitize. Today we're going to talk about the Paptizer. It has a really cool name, Paptizer. Anyways, the Paptizer uses UVC lights. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so we have UV. UV is produced by the sun. UVC, when we say UVC, we're talking about like an electronic equipment or something like that. This is the way that you would get UV, right? So UVC rays, what they do is they kill 99% of bacteria, viruses, funguses, and mold, okay? They can also destroy odor. So if you put anything in here that needs to be sanitized, and I say sanitize because sometimes people confuse sanitizing with cleaning. And there's a difference. When you're cleaning, you're washing, you're scrubbing, you're doing that kind of thing. This will not get rid of that. If you have something that is dirty because it has something stuck to it, like a pacifier that has baby food or baby formula, or a mask that has makeup or something stuck to it, or whatever, it fell in mud, let's just say, you would need to wash that. That is not something that you can put in here. It's going to like disintegrate it or eliminate it. No, this is mainly to get rid of microorganism or to get rid of odor and to keep your equipment or whatever you decide that needs disinfecting or sanitizing clean. Okay, so what's inside the box? All right, so it's the Paptizer, and there's also a rack. Okay, this rack, this is where you would put your mask, you can put your keys, your glasses. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can put in there. Obviously, don't put your CPAP machine. You cannot put that kind of equipment inside of it. I mean, it's big enough that it might fit in there, but you cannot put that in there. Now, how does it sanitize? Well, this unit, you can pop it open by pressing the button in the front. Okay, you would put the rack in there and it's covered by lights, by this LED lights. It has, to be exact, it has 40 of them. That's a lot. 40 LED lights. And I believe there's, or what the manufacturer says is that there's a 10,000 hour LED life. That's what it has, 10,000 hours. You can sanitize up to 200,000 times with this equipment. And it has a 10,000 hour life, the LED. Wow. It also has mirrors in here because it kind of reflects, it does like a 360 degree type of thing, and it reflects off of the mirrors to get whatever you put in here clean, which is great. Also, there's the power supply and there's a card. This card is used to test the machine. So as soon as you get your equipment, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out the card and you're going to test the equipment to make sure that it's working properly. It's supposed to change to a purple. If it doesn't change to purple, it means that it's not working properly, and then you would need to either reach the manufacturer or reach the DME that you bought it from. You can reach us, you can call sleepplay.com. So now, how do you use this? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to plug it to the electricity, right? And then you're going to open the lid, like I just did earlier, and you're going to place whatever you're going to use on the stainless steel rack, okay? Then you're going to close the lid, right? And then you're going to turn it on. Okay, so this machine, the Paptizer, it comes with 3 modes. It has a mode that is called Fast Sanitize. And this mode is like if you need to do it quickly, and it lasts for 3 minutes. So it's like super fast, okay? Let's say that you're in a hurry, or you're gonna go to sleep, or you're traveling, or whatever. It's just for like a daily use. So if you use it every day, if you use your Paptizer every day, this would be the mode to use for 3 minutes. The second mode is the auto mode. This cycle goes through the 3 minutes, but it also has a smart drying cycle that can be 60, 90 minutes. Well, actually it could be 30, 60, or 90, okay? For as long as it needs it. And once it's done, it will continue up to 24 hours, okay? Or until the lid is open. So if you don't open the lid, it'll die there. It'll stay there the whole night for as long as it needs to be. Okay, that's the auto mode. I also don't recommend you putting anything electrical in this mode. Okay, so if you need to sanitize your phone or I don't know, anything that is electrical that you're gonna put in here, don't put it in that mode. It's not recommended, okay? And then the third mode is the fast sanitize and storage mode. Okay, so on this mode, what you would do is it would still be the 3 minutes, but then after that, you can keep your equipment in there, whatever you decide, like if it's your CPAP mask, you leave it in there and it's gonna be there 24 hours on a low strength. Sanitizing, it's cooking it, it's killing all of that bacteria or whatever it is. And this you would do for like a deeper type of cleaning also. It's not like you're fast sanitized. Let's say that maybe you haven't used your mask or you haven't used your equipment in a week. You went to travel, you went to Europe or Peru or wherever you went, and you forgot to take your equipment with you, or you didn't take it for whatever reason. Or maybe this is an old mask that you haven't used in a while and you like it and you want to try it again, whatever. And it needs to be really like to get in there. This is the mode that you would use. Okay, so you would put it in there and you leave it there. You can store it and then it'll keep working for 24 hours after that. Okay, so those are the 3 modes that you can use with the Paptizer. All right, guys, if you like our content, if you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, thank you for stopping by.